Hi, welcome to JeremyLDavis.com. I am Jeremy L. Davis, and I am committed to the long-term success of your business. And now, to make your business successful, you need to have successful employees, successful supervisors, successful middle managers, successful upper managers, and you yourself as the executive have got to be successful in leading blue collar teams. Leading in a blue collar environment, it is entirely different than running a white collar organization. In Unfortunately, so many leaders, especially with the push of degree over EQ, are brilliant at the operations side, but are very, very lacking in the supervisory management side of blue collar workers because the communication is so different. That is why working with somebody like me is critical to your long term success. Now, let's play a quick game of Would You Rather. Would you rather hire and work with a leadership coach that has a business degree, works for one of the top five um, consulting companies, but has never once worked in a blue collar environment? Just lean back and trust your own understanding and try it your way and see what happens. Or would you rather work with an established blue collar leader that has been in the industry for over 35 years, with well over 25 of those years being in some capacity of leadership? Now, you see, the advantage that you have with working with me is that I can speak the executive language. I understand your long term goals, your visions. I understand your deadlines, your pressures. But you can communicate to me, and I can go straight to the production floor, straight to the construction site, straight to where the magic is happening, and immediately be able to communicate with them. That is absolutely huge because, unfortunately, no matter how brilliant you are, and I do mean that in the best possible way, you are brilliant. But they do not teach you in school high emotional intelligence. They do not teach EQ in school. They do not teach you how to be a good communicator to blue collar employees because business school is for, well, obviously for business. And for business and leadership, they don't know what your future will hold. They don't know what path you're going to take. So they surmise and give you the Cliff Notes version of communication. You might be phenomenal at speech. You might be phenomenal at debate. You might be phenomenal at drama club. I don't know. But the difference being, are you brilliant when it comes to communicating to those that have different hopes, dreams, goals, aspirations, hobbies, net worths? Everything is different when it comes to your blue collar workers, and you have got to know how to bridge that gap with them. You know, with me, with Jeremy L. Davis, with my leadership academies, I have several options available. There's corporate training. I come to you, or you get a venue and get several businesses in your area together. I come to you, and we literally just have a 2 or 3 hour presentation. Or if you really want, we can actually do an all day or day and a half presentation. It doesn't matter to me. I love this topic. I love this material. I can talk about leadership, management, retention, turnover for hours and hours and hours on end and not lose interest because it is what I enjoy. It's what I love. It's what I am passionate about. Um, it's me. So But back to where I was. Um, First and foremost, there's obviously the corporate trainings. Now, also do executive training, which is just for you. I want to be the on demand voice, on demand, yes, for executives and upper management. There's on demand coaching. I want to be the on demand coach that you bounce thoughts and theories off of before making a radical decision. I want to do that so you have a blue collar, knowledgeable voice to bounce ideas off of so you can make the best possible decision for you and your business. Okay, that is critical. And then, obviously, again, I said upper management, even though slightly different than executive, upper management is a very valuable training geared towards helping upper management relate through the hierarchy right on down to the managers under them, the supervisors, leads, foremans, and the workers, because they have a more hands-on, I want to say, hands-on feel for the business than you do as the executive, because you're overseeing everything. Than your upper managers, and then my bread and butter, my favorite training is actually an ongoing training. And with this, I do mean it is ongoing. I want to set this up in 12, 18, 24, 36 month arrangements to work directly with your middle managers. You see, your middle managers have the most difficult gig out there. Your middle managers, they have to be able to take from the top, digest, and then deliver. That is a mighty hard task, because not only are you taking from the top to give to those that are under you, but you are also getting a tremendous amount of heat and pressure from those under you that you need to relay up to be able to voice concerns and thoughts. So middle managers, no matter what you think of them, they are the most vital piece of your business. Like them, love them, despise them, you need them. Okay? And my bread and butter is training, teaching, and mentoring them. And with them, I actually have I call them micro trainings, but it's a micro training that is across the board for every middle manager in your organization. Now, the same training is given to the upper management and to yourself also, because I want everybody on the same page. I don't want to do anything that is hidden from you. But this training is focused on communication. It is focused on emotional intelligence. It is focused on uh, making intelligent decisions. It is not based on aptitude. It is not based on your policies, your procedures. Those are your businesses. Those are not mine to delve into. But this will make every middle manager a better manager. Again, the way this works is there's a weekly 20 to 30-minute session that it will be recorded and they'll have it on demand. But it's once a week, so that way every week every leader is learning the exact same thing. So there's no confusion when they go out to the floor and do or say something, because then you don't have shift overlaps, manager overlaps, to where there's a difference in communication, because they're all promoting the same thing that they learned that week. And then you couple that with once a month a live Q&A, a live webinar to where we interact, we can communicate, and I can help smooth out any rough edges or questions that they may have. That is my favorite training of all. But again, from corporate trainings and seminars to executive training, upper management training, middle management training, these are all my bread and butter, but especially the middle manager training. Because you get the middle managers right, that will take care of turnover issues, absenteeism, disengagement, and so much more. You get your middle management right. Of course, to do this, you have to be right. But you get your middle management right, every critical piece of your KPI will be greatly elevated. And I look forward to seeing your business succeed and succeed dramatically. But to get started, if you're not already on my page, wherever you're seeing this from, visit jeremyldavis.com to learn more. Book a consultation anywhere on the page, and it will take you to a secondary page that has a list of questions just for you to answer so I can get to know you and your business a little bit more before we talk. And then that will take you to my scheduling page. And from my scheduling page, you pick the best time that we can actually sit down, have a 20-30 minute conversation, and see how I can benefit you, your upper management, your middle managers, and your business as a whole. I look forward to working with you, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day.